Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I prepare these healthy all-purpose green seasoning cubes. It can be used for marinating your meat and for cooking as well. So keep watching and I will show you how I turn these healthy herbs into cubes. So stay tuned. So let's get started. In here I've got 2 celery for the preparation. I've got thyme. Here is my spring onions, rosemary. I just want to show you how it looks like in the pack. Here I've got my basil leaf, which I got from my kitchen. Here is my bell pepper, half bell pepper, and my coriander. Then here is my pimiento pepper. As you can see, it's written pimiento pepper. I just want to show you how the pack looks like. So I have here my parsley. So I like parsley and the flavor. In here I've got my olive oil. So now I've got all the herbs clean. What I did is to remove the stems and make sure I remove the dirt from the herbs. So I remove all the seed in the pimiento, separate all the leaves from the stems. Now I'm going to wash them in a clean water. So I'm going to add the vinegar into this water and wash them all. Why I add it to kill the germs or bacteria. So I'll be right back after washing. After washing, I'm going to cut my spring onions into small sizes so that it can be easy for me to blend. Okay, so I will repeat the same process with the celery. Cut them into small sizes so that it will be easy to blend. As well, I'm going to cut the green bell pepper and the pimiento. So as you can see, this is my rosemary already cleaned. I make sure I remove all the stems. Here is my thyme. I'm making use of my little food processor. I prefer using food processor because I don't want to blend it so smooth and I want it to retain the flavor. So let me fix in the blade. Here is the blade. Because I'm making use of small food processor, I'm going to grind them bit by bit. Watch me and see how it goes. So now I'm going to add the olive oil. So let's blend them together. I would like to use this opportunity to appreciate all of you that are watching this video. God bless you all, more especially my returning subscribers. You're such a wonderful people. You always watch my videos, subscribe, like, and even share to friends. May the Lord bless you. If you're new here, you're welcome to Chiommy Creative Kitchen with Joy. You are the right place, I promise you. In my kitchen, you'll learn more about kitchen skills, baking, cooking, cake decorations, and other DIY tutorial. So after watching, consider to subscribe to my channel. hit the notification bell and select all so that you will be aware anytime I upload a new video. Once again, welcome. So my dear, as you can see, if you prepare this green seasoning at home, it will make your cooking so easy. Because once you prepare it, you just lay your hand and have a cube, and there you go. You can just scoop it and marinate your meat. You can as well add it to your cooking. I call it all-purpose seasoning or cooking medicine. This is good. I promise you, if you try it, you will never regret. My dear, do you know one good thing about this green seasoning or green seasoning cubes? They are fresh anytime you need them. As well, I'm going to show you how you can preserve them for a very long time. Once you want to cook, they are cooking medicine. Lay your hand upon 1 or 2 cubes and you're good to go. You can as well marinate your meat, as I said. At this point, I'm going to distribute the green seasoning into these ice cube trays. So keep watching and see how it goes. Take note, don't overfill it. So once I'm done with the portioning, I'm going to shake them and make sure there is no air bubbles in it. So I'm going to transfer the rest into a glass jar for immediate use. This one I can keep it in the fridge. It can last in the fridge for a few days. But if you want to preserve it a longer time, just do it this way and put it in the freezer. At this moment, I'm going to transfer them to the freezer and leave them for about 1 hour. So 1 hour later, as you can see, they are frozen. So in here, I have my Ziploc bag. This is how it looks. So I'm going to release the cubes. Watch me and see how I release them. Take a look at the tray. It is clean. At this stage, I'm going to transfer them into this Ziploc bag. Very easy to operate. So once I'm done, I'm going to release the air from the bag and zip it up. I promise you, if you try this at home, you will not regret it. I call it cooking medicine or all-purpose seasoning. Take a look at my ginger garlic cubes and my green seasoning cubes. That's how I preserve them. I'll transfer them to the freezer and that is all. Please give it a try at home and you'll make your cooking so easy. If you have watched this video till this point, thank you so much. If you like this video and it is helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends. Until next time, stay healthy and cook healthy. God bless you.